Okay, so today we're going to be dissecting a fetal pig. As you can see, there is red latex and blue latex injected into the umbilical cord. We're gonna have a look at that. And the feet, and the tail, and the face too. And if I flip it this way, we're gonna tie the legs down like this to the bottom of this pan, and also the bottom ones like this. And we might even, just for extra strength, but I don't think we'll have to because the neck is like perfectly right there. We're gonna start like this. Then we're gonna go down around the umbilical cord and then slice down and then here.
Okay, we'll just do that later.
Yep, and then we'll merge the two videos on Adobe. This is and here's here's the face with the little baby eyes and the cute little tongue. Aw, poor little thing. Well, anyway. Be back to you in just a bit. So I've done most of the dissection already, as you can see. There's the intestine, there's the large intestine, the liver. As you can see, here are the lungs and the heart.
Wow.
Holy moly.
Okay.
And here's the diaphragm.
Now, before we explain too much of it, why don't you go ahead and make your final cut?
Yeah, I've cut all the way up to the top of the throat here. I'm cut this side, now I'm going to cut this side.
That way you can show us how you do it.
Yeah, here's my super sharp scalpel. And let me just...
Are you going to open those two pieces up?
Yes, I am. I am.
That one may come completely off because of the...
Other slit for the latex. Oh, just need to cut that central throat.
Okay, you can use scissors too. I can't see very much. Do you want me to cut it off for now?
There.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what. Let's go ahead and cut off the film.
And then I'll
you can,
show you the entire thing
after you're done.
After I'm done, yeah. I'm just about finished pinning off these 4 flops. I've already done these 3, and I'm going to do the final last one. You can see a little artery right there. All right. Dissecting pin. And instead of pinning it down to the table, we'll push the flesh back and then pin it into the body below the organs that you're going to observe. And voila. Here we have the inside of a fetal pig.
And you cut these extra pieces off, didn't you?
These were flaps, but I actually cut them off, as a matter of fact.
So go ahead and get your probe and start telling us.
All right. This is the heart. Wow. And there's the superior vena cava, I believe. And the aorta is somewhere up here. And there's the carotid artery. Here is the liver. This big guy right here. Mm-hmm. And if you can't see it, right over here, that little extra area, that's the spleen.
Okay.
I do not know what this is, but whatever. This is the intestines. Here's the large intestine, or it's referred to as the colon. Here's the urinary bladder right here. Okay. And then back up towards the heart, we have this little flap thing right here. It's called the diaphragm. You know, whenever you breathe, that's the thing that moves up and down, up and down. Okay. And here, these little flaps are the lungs.
And is that the ribs right there?
Yep, this is the rib cage. It's pretty hard. And then all the way up here, we got the arteries. I do not know what that is, but... And then...
Could be a thyroid.
It could be thyroid, yeah. And this is the esophagus. Want to cut open and see?
Sure, why don't you...
Why don't I cut into the
esophagus?
esophagus?
Just make a really straight, nice cut on that, and we'll look at it. You'll have to do probes to pull it apart, I guess.
Yeah.
After you cut it. Okay, that's probably good enough.
All right. Now, let's take a little probe here and here and pull it apart.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Holy moly, that's the inside of the esophagus.
And that looks like the brachia right there. tube right below it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right there. It looks like the brachia to the lungs.
Yep, and these are lungs.
Yeah. Okay. Say something to wrap it up.
Well, that was really amazing dissection. I really did not expect to see all this at the same time. This is really an amazing thing to see. And here's the umbilical cord. Bye-bye. Well, that's it. I'm gonna look under the liver. I've already seen what's under. And look! If you take a probe, the
Whoa.
gallbladder, and it produces bile.
Oh my gosh.
The gallbladder.
Are you going to remove the liver?
I'm gonna remove the liver and the gallbladder. And I'm gonna cut. I'm almost there.
You're going to try and look at the stomach?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, look! It's all all of these are veins and everything. This is...
Yeah, it's very highly...
yeah, because the blue latex, the blue liquid latex stuff.
Oh, I don't know how you say it, but it's got a lot of blood going through there. I'm going to just throw that away.
Whoa. Look at this. Whoa, I can just rip the gallbladder out.
Oh, that's that easy.
Wait a minute, what's this?
Those are the big veins that go to the liver.
Oh my god.
Or it might be the bile ducts.
Wow, the bile ducts, and this is where bile is produced.
Throw that stuff out, though, in the garbage very carefully.
Oh boy. I've removed the liver and the spleen, threw them in the garbage, and it reveals the stomach. There's a concentration of veins here, and right here, this little sac. I wonder what that is. Is that part of the gallbladder? And that's the stomach.
Wow.
And there's a humongous concentration of veins over here. Look how much that's yeah. And part of the rib cage. Now I've clipped the main veins and arteries of the heart, the aorta, superior vena cava, and everything. And now, just for purpose...
Go look at this. Just go ahead.
I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Wow. That's the pig heart.
In fact, we could slice it perfectly in half.
Why don't we?
Why don't we? To reveal the ventricles and the atria.
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the superior vena cava. The big fat blue one. And the smaller red one over here is the... Oh, yeah. Superior...
The beginning of the aorta?
Yes, in the beginning of the aorta. I think I might have gotten a tiny bit on the side of your phone. Sorry.
Okay, go ahead and slice it in half.
I think it's this way, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're gonna have to be careful.
Right.
Can you open it up yet?
Almost. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh!
Hold it out this way. Oh my gosh! That is so cool.
Oh my gosh!
That's the coolest thing yet.
Oh look! The atria, the ventricle, and then the pulmonary arteries. Here's the right atria and left atria. And the bicuspid valve, chordae tendineae, everything.
Oh my gosh. Let me see your happiness.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at that. Look at that space in there.
I know.
Holy moly, this is so cool.